If you want to back up Lucidchart, I'll show you the best way to do it, whether you have a premium account or a free account. In this tutorial, we'll cover the built-in backup options, how the paid backup feature works, and the manual method you can use right now if you're on the free plan. This is a great way to protect your diagrams, keep copies of important flowcharts, and make sure your work is safe if you ever need to restore it later. If this video helps, please hit that like button and subscribe for more useful software tutorials. Let's get started. First, it's important to know that the automatic backup page is only available with a paid Lucidchart subscription. If you upgrade to a premium account such as individual, team, or enterprise, you unlock the full backup features. To begin, click your profile image or initials in the top right corner of the Lucid homepage. This opens your account options. From there, click Account Settings, and then look for Document Settings in the left-hand menu. Once you're inside Document Settings, scroll down until you find the Backup section. If you have a premium account, you'll see backup options such as Download All, or you may be able to select Folders and click Start Download. This allows you to save all your diagrams at once into a single backup file, which is usually a .lav file. If your goal is to keep a cloud-based copy, you can also link your Google Drive and turn on the toggle to schedule automatic weekly backups. That's especially useful if you want your documents to be backed up regularly without having to remember to do it manually. Now, if you're on a free Lucidchart account, the process is a little different. Free accounts do not support full automatic bulk backups, so you'll need to download each document one by one. It takes a little more time, but it still gives you a reliable backup of every important diagram. To do this, go to your Lucidchart home screen and open the document you want to save. This will take you into the web editor, where the diagram is displayed. Once the document is open, click the More menu in the top left corner. This is the menu with the 3 horizontal lines. From there, hover over Export. You'll see different export options appear. If you want a backup that you can open, view, or print later, choose PDF or PNG. PDF is often best if you want to preserve layout and share it easily, while PNG is useful if you want a clear image copy of the diagram. After selecting your format, click the blue download button in the pop-up pane. Lucidchart will then save the file to your computer. Make sure you choose a folder where you can easily find it later, like your Downloads folder or a dedicated backup folder on your desktop. Then, repeat the same process for every document you want to protect. Go back to your home screen, open the next file, and export it again using the same steps. If you have a lot of documents, a simple tip is to create a folder structure on your computer before you start. For example, you can make separate folders for flowcharts, org charts, wireframes, or project diagrams. That way, your backups stay organized and easy to restore if you ever need them. It also helps to rename exported files so you know exactly what each one is. So to recap, premium users can use Lucidchart's built-in backup options for more automation and bulk downloads, while free users can still back up their work manually by exporting each document individually. Either way, the key is to make a copy of your important diagrams before you need them. That gives you peace of mind and protects your work. If you found this tutorial helpful, please like the video and subscribe to the channel for more step-by-step software guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.